This is the house of Mr. Dukey's family. In 2003 the house was restored like as it was before it was burned in massacre. In this family, the soldier killed 5 people including one mother and her 4 children. Mr. Dukey's family had 2 surviving daughters. The roof is usually thatched from braided straw or dried coconut leaves. The beams, columns, and frames are mostly made of bamboo and wood. With such materials, the house is very easy to be burnt. The house has an architecture of 3 compartments, and 2 wings, as was the tradition of people in the Sun Mies village, before the massacre. The house is designed in the style of a truss house, with a wooden frame, bamboo trusses. The walls are made of earth stuffed with straw, and the roof is made of nipa leaves. The upper house, also known as the main house, is used as a place of worship and reception. Inside the house is the women's bedroom, and below is the family's kitchen, where there are 2 statues of mother and her child cooking rice in a wood stove. That morning the mother got up early to cook for the whole family, and then they would go to the fields for harvesting rice in harvest season. The statue of a small boy who is the youngest child in the family also wakes up with his mother. After a night of waking up hungry, he raises his hand to ask for food from his mother. It was a very idyllic and peaceful moment, but this scene was gone when the American soldiers gathered all this family into the turn-ins ditch, and killed all.